Hello guys, welcome back to Photography Academy. So today we are going to be retouching this particular image using Kumoo. Now, before I quickly start, I want to tell you something real quick. So this is a particular image we are going to be exploring in the live training that we are going to be having very soon. Of course, depending on when you are seeing this video, as at when I'm recording, we are going to be having that training tomorrow. Tomorrow, we are going to be hitting it real big. And what we are going to be doing in that particular training with this image is that we are going to be exploring exactly how we did this background manipulation. In case you've not seen what the before was looking like, this was the original image. So in that our training tomorrow, we are going to be exploring how we changed the background, worked on all the edges and all the rough things you are seeing till we got to this point. So I want to give you a snippet of what I'm going to be teaching tomorrow when it comes to the skin retouching of this image. It's very simple, right? Because we've already done the background and all of that, I'm just going to focus on the retouching. So if I come straight into my retouching, right, I'll make sure I do my acne for body and blemishes for body. I'm not going to do much on the face because of our tribal mark. I wouldn't want to lose that at the end of the day. And once I'm done doing that, I'll come straight down to my dark circle, just a little, my forehead wrinkles, just a little, and my wrinkles around eye. Leave every other thing the same way and make sure that my face disfocus repair is beautifully restored. Once that is done, I'll come into my skin retouching area, go to my neutral gray leveling, keep it somewhere around here. My skin refinement, keep it somewhere around here. Because we're working with a full body and we do not want it to make a lot of changes on her, we'll keep the contour around here. Now, if you look at it, we can decide to stop here and not even do frequency separation. But I'm going to do the frequency separation, but I'm going to turn up my high frequency and reduce my low frequency, so that I'll make sure I have, to do that skin textured effect on her and still get a smooth skin. Then my frequency separation for body, this is where I'm going to get a lot of smoothing. Once that is done, the job is almost done, right? I'll increase the brightness a little, the toning a little, then of course blend the skin tones so that we'll have very uniform tones. And this is the skin tone we're going to be using. This particular one over here, the cocoa skin tone, because she's a black model, we wouldn't want to, use something that will make her look fair. We can as well increase the skin tone, maybe reduce the reds a little, and now brighten it up with the tones and the brightness, so that when you look at it, you are still seeing her face. So look at the way we're able to maintain the original skin texture, the original skin tone, but to have a very clean image. So if I go all the way down to makeup, I will enhance the eyebrow, enhance the eye makeup, keep the shadow in the middle, keep the highlight slightly below the shadow, and enhance my blush and of course my lid makeup. Once all of that is enhanced, I'll go to my clothing, right? I want to smoothen it out. If you look here, it's quite rough, so increase the intensity just somewhere around here. Then for the edge, keep it somewhere around here. So the reason I'm not doing it 100% is so that I still want to see these tiny wrinkles over here, because that is what makes the image still look very much realistic. So right inside our retouching back, we'll go to body and select a model's body for her like this. Push it up a little. So I want her waist to look starched, then her butt a little protruded. Then I would want her chest, pumped out a little bit more. Maybe her belly sucked in a bit more, so that we can get that beautiful figurative effect. And I will push up her height just slightly. And we are done. Let me show you the overall before and after of everything we've done. So it doesn't look like we did so much, but trust me, we did so much. Like I said, if you have not registered for that training, you can as well just get straight in before the window closes. There we'll be teaching you exactly how we're able to bring the picture all the way from this into this. Then of course, I also explored exactly how I retouched this particular one, also using Kumoo in that particular training. We'll be exploring it definitely. So if you have not joined, you are missing out on a whole lot of stuff. If you want to start using Kumoo in your day-to-day workflow, all you need to do is to go to the description of this video, right? you're going to see the download link right there. Click on it. And of course, when you are purchasing your Kumoo credit, make sure you use our promo code that you can as well find in the description of the video. Once you use it, you will get extra 30% bonus every time you purchase your credits using that promo code. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe, click on notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one. Peace and out.